to go straight away. Calendar will be at lunchtime. Then I get back from college because it's half day now. So yeah, guess I'll see you not on the bus because I haven't been doing that the last couple of days and I'm not going to do it again. So yeah, guess I'll see you whatever the next clip is. To go straight away. Calendar will be at lunchtime. Then I get back from college because it's half day now. So yeah, guess I'll see you not on the bus because I haven't been doing that the last couple of days and I'm not going to do it again. So yeah, guess I'll see you whatever the next clip is. Big fan. Don't know what to say.
I'm not going to say anything.
Yeah, trust me. Just she set us on.
I can. Examinator.
I'm coming for you, mate.
You know, boom, out here dog walking again. Grandma just dropped me off, she's driving off. Goodbye, Grandma. Gonna walk back on canal today, guys. You know, no meets Harry B. Back in the ends, I'm a real OG. Keep saying that, I don't know why. Yes, I don't lie. Yes, I'm coming high. Yes, to college, yeah. I'm on some weed. I smoke a doobie. Don't know what I'm on about. Because I don't do any of that. My granddad's called Kelvin. We love him a lot, yeah. Woohoo! Bristol's having a shot. Juicy. Got the toy. So let's have some throwy time. She's ready. I'm got it behind my back. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Boom. Oh. Chris, mate, it's literally right there. It's weird though. I got it. Chris. Ready? 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 He got stuck. He's not very upbeat mood for this. Dropping. Put down. Just running away like a little weirdo. She don't want to unlock or something. I don't know. Right, here we go. One more, Chris. You ready? Chris? Oh, I think she might be walking for a toilet spot. One weird thing, guys. What do you think of this? This toy. It's pretty dandy, isn't it? Some of you might get that from an old video reference as Crystal's piddle paddling. And she's ready. Right, you, Chris. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Why she slowed down so much? Is she fucking dumb? Nope, she's got it. Surprised she. What's she doing? She's leaving everything. Sure, it's nice in here without leaves. And then just go back to grass. Could be anything underneath these leaves, never know. You ready? 3, 2, 1. She's not trying too hard. I do question her if she's not trying hard enough. Okay, I guess we're just walking then. Putting toy away, guys, putting toy away. Toy's going away then. Boom. Yeah. Just gonna do some walk and get some shots for Long Canal. Let's go. The canal, I'm on the canal. Do, I'm on the canal. Sun's in my eyes, Crystal's toilet in. I'm on the canal, I'm on the canal. I know I put music over this, but I'm not going to. So hello everybody who can hear me. I'm on the canal with the doggy. She wants to go back up, but no we're not. We're on the canal, cause she's a fart. Why would it call my dog a fart? I'll never know. Crystal, come on, let's go. Down. Water in the canal. Being nice, it doesn't taste very nice. Joking. I'm gonna swim down there. Never did, cause I'm not a little shit. Crystal, why did you not chase for toy? Crystal, do you not want a toy? Crystal, what are you doing to me? Crystal, let's go chase for toys some more. Thanks guys for looking at the canal. I will get more shots if anything interesting happens now. Got to chase it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. She's after it. She just slowed down a bit, but she has been chasing it a bit more. Come on, bring. Oh, we got away for it. No. No. Ready? Chrissy, ready? Ready? Oh, Chris here. Don't know what's happening, guys. Why is she not playing? Oh. Epic going psycho, I little better Michael. I really need nobody. Why am I singing that song? Come on, Chris, this way. Yeah. What's she doing, man? Hello, hello. Come on. Ready? Ready? You're not chasing it, do you? Oh, she's an idiot, isn't she? Lazy you are, Chris, lazy. No, you go for it now. You ready? Ready? Oh, okay, jogging along. You're not playing like usual. Don't stop with her, maybe she's a bit ill. Bit of a stick on still. Gonna record, see what she does. I'm putting toy away though, she's had enough clearly. She's not chasing it like she normally does. She's running away from me now. Because she told my granddad that she does and he wasn't very impressed. Don't know why she's running away. She's not going to get anywhere without me there. And if she starts going any faster, I'm going to have to get faster. I'm coming after her. Go, 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 Harry, go. What's she doing? Chris, here. Here. Stay. Good girl. We're off back now because you've blown your chance. Sorry guys. Putting the lead on. Right, we're off guys. Time to get some more shots. Let's go. Right. Dirty, dirty things in the river where some birds fly away. Ducky ducks and seagulls are flying down the lane. What the hell am I on about? I don't even know. It's not dirty, it's just a reflection below. Look at all them trees, that's a park. No, it might not look like it because it's pretty short. They always have a fair there, but mostly we'll know. I'm not going to go. To-do! Oh, well, that song, mate. I just made some absolute banger. Banger. A banger. Oh, I think that's the bridge I need to get up from there. Don't know, there's some duckies. Ducky ducks. Whack, 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 whack. It's a duck impression. Potato. He didn't want that one, but I'll get on to over in a minute. Let's do some impressions. Duck impression. Wah, 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 wah. Cow impression. Moo. Sheep impression. Meh. Horse impression. That's my horse impression. What else? Chicken. My chicken impression. What else is there? Over pigs. Can't do a pig noise. Monkeys. Okay. And now, finally, what's supposed to be a seagull, but it sounds like a dying dog according to everyone else. This one, Teo, we're asking for, so here we go. I'm gonna do it better than that, guys. Sounds like a seagull or dying dog. Put it in the comments below. I can do it even louder. Probably sounds worse on camera than it does here. Sounds better in real life, trust me. I'll do it properly later, but yeah, that's the first. There you go, Taylor. You can click off now if you want, or you can go and watch my better one later on in the vlog. It's up to you as I walk the dog. And the dog is toileting. Luckily it's just a wee, so I don't have to pick it up. Wee. You get it? Wee. Wee. Yeah. Dead banter. Also Easter smells. Big up Dan. Big up Teo. Come on, Chris. Yeah, come on. Oh, look at it bounce up and down. Oh man, it stops for me. Where's the bugger? Yeah, where are you? Copyright music in the background, but who cares? Yeah, basically, what's happening now, yeah, is off Christmas shopping for me, presents from the other people. So I don't want to wait till tomorrow, so I'm off now. So yeah, let's go. Okay, let me say it properly. Alright, let's go. Guys, just got back from Christmas shopping. Can't show you anything because, you know, family and that, they might see it. And yeah, pretty late what I've got. Spent around £75. Yeah, that's a lot of money. I'm currently looking for some Christmas paper to wrap them in. I don't know where it is. My grandma's lying to me. Yeah, I'm a creepy seller again. Yeah, let's go. Do 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 do. I need to find this crap. Right, I'm gonna find it and I'll see you in whatever the next clip is. Me. I forgot to do it before midnight, so it's coming out a bit late. So sorry about that, but yeah. See you tomorrow or today, whatever you want for another day of Vlogmas. Didn't open my calendar either, so yeah, got 2 days tomorrow. Let's go.